Hey everyone, we're Phill and Deb, and we are DIY builders building our box truck. So today we're gonna start the process of unboxing our window and kind of some of the prep work. We wanted to just kind of show you guys the supplies that you'll need, and then the prep work, kind of like tracing the template, getting it up on the wall, all that kind of stuff. Here we go, I guess.
The tools we personally used were a box cutter, a tape measure, a jigsaw, tape, cardboard from the box the window came in, a drill, several markers, a speed square, and a small belt sander that is used for spot welds was very nice. Okay, Deborah has not seen it yet. Why don't you open your eyes and check it out?
It's a hole. You did a good job with that. Clean cut.
Sort of. It's definitely not perfect, but. Oh. So it's time to put the window in now that we have the hole cut. It's totally within anyone's capability to get a tube of urethane yourself and get a high-powered caulking gun. It needs to be the higher power one because that urethane is really stiff. But, you know, there's a lot of really good glass guys, and they use urethane all the time for windshields. And so what I did is I called around, said, hey, I wanted to get this thing done. The more I thought about it, it's like, he's gonna put on the best layer. He's gonna put on an adhesion promoter that sits on the outside of the window. And he's gonna have a special little plunger tool that can pick up the window and hold it right into place so it lines it up perfectly. And so not only is it gonna be more affordable, but it's gonna yield a better result. So find a local business and just give them a call, and if you have the hole ready for them, they can just pop it right in and it's gonna look beautiful. So now that the window is installed, we're gonna actually wait a few hours at least before we're even willing to drive it. They said 3, we might just wait longer than that because we're paranoid. And this is gonna be our home. And then it's gonna be about 24 hours before we take off the tape. But man, this thing is looking phenomenal. All right, it's been 24 hours. We're gonna take that tape off. What do you think of the window, dear?
Overall, the install went really well. I think we did a lot for the prep work, just tracing the template and everything, and Phill cut the hole out. And then our decision to go with the local installer instead of being complete in-house DIY was really just the cost effectiveness of the urethane and the high-powered caulk gun. If we had to change something, it would be, I would have loved to have this be completely DIY. I think it's definitely something we could have done fairly easily, that it went so seamlessly, everything else. And so we are very capable, and you are as well, of doing it. I think windows get a bad rap of being stressful, but I think if you're following the steps, you're using the right tools, you'll be 100% fine.
The biggest and most time-consuming thing is always going to be the prep work. It's even cutting the hole doesn't take that long. It's just getting everything lined up perfectly. And one of the hardest parts that we didn't really anticipate was actually creating the stencil for it so that we could get it lined up. You know, with enough patience and with a wife who has a steadier hand than you, you can get a lot done.
Well, and most of the time, if you're installing into a van and you're doing some of the bigger windows, those templates basically are built into the sheet metal. So you're just gonna follow the indents that are built into the sheet metal. With the universal, that's where it comes a little bit harder because they don't send you a template and they're not pre-indented into your van. So just something to consider when looking at the universal bunk windows is they don't have that quite as easy as a stencil, so you kind of have to make your own. But easy peasy, can do it. Just take your time, measure 3 times, cut once, kind of a thing.
Yeah, totally.
We're learning along with you guys as we go. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll try and answer as much as we can.
Yeah.
And we next are probably going to be installing our subfloor and or our max fan. Those are kind of 2 projects that we have going in tangent. So we will see you in those videos. Bye.